Presenting a pre-owned 2024 Cadillac. This four-door SUV has engine with rear-wheel drive and a 1-speed direct-drive transmission. This Cadillac is a great value with less than 17,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 95 miles per gallon in the city and 82 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.